Before we can get on into contractions and how our body moves, we're going to have to explain what a neuron is. A neuron is part of both your central nervous system and your peripheral nervous system. Those systems are then divided into somatic and autonomic. Somatic is your skeletal muscles, and your autonomic is going to be your involuntary muscles, such as like breathing, your lungs, stuff like that. So for the first thing we're going to explain is I'm going to have to explain what a neuron is. This is a horrible drawing, but this is my neuron. At the top of it, we have our dendrites, and then we have our nucleus in the middle. You're going to come down the cell body. I think that's cell body. Yeah. And these are your myelin sheaths. And way down here at the end, you're going to have your axons. And of your axons, you have this little bulb, which is your synapses bulb. And then this is an up close of your synapses bulb. And these are your neurotransmitters, which will be like first layer of tissue and the outside of it. So what we're going to have, we have pretty much 3 different signals. You have your EPSPs, your IPSPs, and then nothing. For your EPSP, they're going to be positive because they're going to start depolarization. IPSPs are going to be negative because they start repolarization. Well, sort of. Anyways, so EPSPs are also, the signals are afferent for EPSP, and IPSP is efferent. Afferent can best be acknowledged as like your approach signals. So it's going to be your signals that come in up here, and it's going to tell the muscle what to do as it runs all the way down here. And that's what your signal is going to be. Your signal, EPSP, is going to start something, and the signal coming out of it is your efferent, which is going to be your exit signals. Well, yeah, your exit signals. Yep. Now that that's explained, we can go on to the next couple episodes where I'm going to start to explain the sodium-potassium pump and depolarization, repolarization, and how our muscles actually contract. What send those signals? All right. So when I'm doing a curl, signals are being sent to my bicep. EPSP are being sent to my bicep to tell them to contract. And IPSP are sending to the triceps. There's getting a little bit of work with this, but I can have to say that it didn't. There's no signals running to it. IPSP signals are sending it to it, telling it to stop, to end what it's doing, while EPSPs are sending to my bicep to tell it to curl.